Hi guys, I'd like to give you a quick update on what's going on around the workshop and on the yard. So let's take a look. So I've got a bunch of new logs came in this week. I have some spotted beech here. This is the best one and the biggest one. You can see the spotting already on the end grain. That's gonna be some gorgeous stuff in there. And I have 5 decent sized oak logs with a very nice and tight grain. These are gonna be pretty as well. Obviously I would not get away without cutting nails in these two. As you can see, the black stain, that's a sign of metal. And I've got this chunk too. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to cut it yet, but I'd like to make some coffee table slabs out of it, and the crotch will be the main feature in it, that's for sure. I'm just gonna have to cut off some of the limbs. I will possibly cut off this one and make this one shorter as well. Yeah, we'll see. I'll decide later on. This one here, which I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's sycamore. I will make few planks out of it, but I'd like to use some of that to make stickers for stacking my lumber, because I'm always short of stickers. It's just never enough of stickers. My storage unit, which is fully loaded. Not fully loaded, I can squeeze in some more. I will do at some point. So I'm gonna put you on the tripod now and let's get some work done.
Night is cold, but your heart's colder. I will wait for you. The glitch in your eyes pulled me under, but I will wait for you. There's nothing left for me to do than run and act myself a fool. No point in trusting anyone. Your eyes of diamonds keep me up. Never thought that it could be this rough. No point in trusting anyone.
The bitch in your arms pulled me under, but I will wait for you.
There's nothing left for me to do than run and act myself a fool. No point in trusting anyone. Your eyes are
So this is next day now, Saturday afternoon, and as you can see, I've got all the stickers ready to use. And this morning I went to see a tree surgeon, friend of mine, and he was about to dismantle a poplar tree. So I got 4 decent size poplar logs. I'm gonna show you them now. This is one of them. I'm about to put this on the mill, and then there is another one, and I've got 2 more here waiting to get milled at some point. I'm not sure when. The oak is more important. I want to get these milled up as quick as I can. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.